Jade threw Jasmine a curveball last week when she insinuated to people other than Jasmine that House 4's Curvy Island bench may have been inspired by House 3's Curvy Island bench.
Well, apparently they said we copied.
Oh, yeah, I just think that that was blown out of proportion, to be quite honest, you know.
The fact that we copied them was absolute garbage, and I got really defensive because we definitely didn't.
For the record, Jasmine definitely didn't get her inspiration from Daniel and Jade. It looks like it may have come from Pinterest.
We already had the vision before we even met them.
We knew we were going to have a great kitchen, so we wanted to back it up with the living and dining because that space is the centre of the home. We hoped we would have had a win up our sleeve to be able to pay for those things, but it just didn't happen.
Corey, I think I need to pull the lever.
Yeah, OK.
And that way we stay under budget as well.
We were gifted a budget of $18,000 for 2 rooms. So by pulling the high pages lever, we'd have an extra $10,000 for our trades.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Go.
Safety first, babe.
Go, go.
Ready?
Hey, guys.
Hey, how we going?
How are we?
Hey guys.
Jimmy and Tam have called the body corporate to discuss the small matter of a tree they want for their front yard.
Check her out. There she is. We call this body corporate because we've got a tree that's currently in someone else's front yard that is for our front yard. They are digging a pool, so the tree needs to be removed.
Just tell them the bits they want to hear, that the tree's going to die. Everyone's going to die.
If we don't get it into our front yard now, the tree's going to die. So we're asking if you guys would mind if we worked forward just to get this tree in the front yard so it doesn't die. Like, it's a beautiful tree and we'd hate to see it die, obviously.
Mate, I love nature.
It's a yes from us.
Don't kill a tree.
It's a yes from us. Don't kill a tree.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
All good?
We say no. We say no. No.
OK.
Nah, we want $5,000.
We want $5,000.
If you're lifting through our front yard, we want $5,000
We're not going
each.
anywhere near your front yard, mate.
Oh, well, we want... all right, yes.
10.
They all said yes. I don't know why, but they did.
Last week, we were given the domain listing challenge. As you come over here, we've got these gorgeous arch windows. I took this challenge as creating a serious listing. And underfloor heating that continues into the shower.
We're having a chat to Jessie from the agency this afternoon. We'll brainstorm.
Hey.
G'day, team. So this scene, we just want you two sitting and we'll get the drone from above. And then when we start to pan out, you guys start walking. Cool. We'll go higher and higher, and that way we can get all the boxes and look straight over the bay to the city.
We wanted it to be in the kitchen. You know, I wanted to be prepping a meal to say, hey, this is what you can create in a family home, to give that vision and emotion straight away.
And go.
Welcome to our house. This is welcome. Welcome. Yeah. Sorry. I think we're just going to do a nice little introduction.
We invite you into our bespoke Brighton Beach home.
And then just, let all the features of the house do the talking.
We had a bit of an idea to sort of present a 50s movie.
We've got a few props and things. Jimmy's going to be sitting in the chair in a suit. I'll bring him a martini.
And stay there 1 second, and just as if you're handing it over again, 1 second, and go for it.